So now we're looking at B on page 105. We're just looking at 3, 4, 5, and 6. So number 3 asks us, 160 children turned up for the 5-a-side basketball blitz. How many teams were formed? So what sum would we need to do there to find out how many teams, how many 5-a-side teams could we make from 160 children? So we have 160 children, but we want to see how many 5-a-side teams we can make from 160. So what sum would we need to do there? Number 4. Share 417 cards equally among 3 children. So we have 417 cards and we want to share them among 3 children. So what sum would we need to do there to find out how much each child gets? Number 5. How many weeks make up 952 days? So we have to figure out how many days are in 1 week. So we have 952 days divided by how many days are in 1 week, which is 7. So what sum would we need to do to find out how many 7s are in 952? And then number 6, an artist sold 1/4 of her 928 paintings. How many has she left? So this is a double sum, so we have to do 2 things here. So an artist sold 1/4. So if she sells 1/4, a quarter, if we split anything into quarters, it's split up into 4 pieces. So the number at the bottom of the quarter tells us that, split into 4 pieces. So to find out what one of those pieces is, what do we need to divide 928 by? So if we're half in it, we divide it by 2. So how do we find out a quarter of 928? And then once we find out how many she has sold, how do we figure out then how many paintings she has left? So if she had 928 paintings at the start, but sold a quarter of them, how many paintings does she have left now?